kubor baman kesni awan lam shipi da unang yalam ni
Jinghikai ka pekerpang lai Bnai na kumtaki Khynnah Kynthei bala tep kum karani Lakshmi Bai Atma Prashictions bala penlong da ka Office of District Missions Coordinator SSA West Jangja Hill District kalakut no minta Bnai December ringkat pat kisat ket bala sam Khynnah ki balawan ban Bynta kani ka training program la Jinghikai ning taki Southly ki school ka bakentop ya ka Panalier Upper Primary School ka QC Springside Upper Primary School Kathat Labo Presbyterian Upper Primary School Bat ka AC Evening Mintadu Secondary School Jinghikai kalong man kasi sidan bat ki bawan Jinghikai Kynthei ka West Jangja Hill Karate do Association Jowai hapo Jingilam jong Shri Nao Mon Kiwi War Pasa Instructor Shri Ribat OPD Instructor bat Shri Patsha Charmang Assistant Instructor ha Jing Trelang bat ki bor penyat school Jinghikai kilong ki bakentop ya ki Bynta jong Kilan met Jinghikai kumno ban yada ilade bat ban shania halade na kaliang jong ikli no ikai school ki lapan pau ka jingo iko office jong ka district mission coordinator SSA West Jangja Hill District kumjo ro iko West Jangja Karate do Association ki bla tresh tom mon Jinghikai Khynnah ki lapan pau ka jingkmen ba ki lapan pau wakum kani kai program ka dei ban yep teng ha ki singi ki banawan na ka Bynta ki Khynnah samla Kynthei
and discipline is one of them. It's like dedication and determination.
It's also a martial art where you train yourself how to defend yourself. You train people today, kamu nu dah today. Kamu nu pernah kaki TV, kejati. Kamu nu one alert. TV one tahu mana. Kamu alert.
Two. Up, in, down. Get on right. 1, 2. Out. Come on. Knee. 3, 4, go. Rock. Set. Arch. Block back. Knee. 1, 2. 3, 1, 2. 1, 2.
Lang. Wanda Karusana. Iba Niokol Bamon.
banyo iki kubor baman kesni sumhawan subscribe ka channel unang yalam news kumle shibu